Club members. I'm out here on my front porch about to snip a couple sprigs of fresh thyme to add to our slow roasted tomato recipe that we're going to make today. I'm also going to snip some rosemary from my little rosemary hair pig here, so we can add some of that flavor to our slow roasted tomatoes as well. So we're going to take our tomatoes that we've washed and spread them out on our sheet pan. And then we're going to sprinkle them with half a teaspoon of sea salt and about a quarter teaspoon, a few grinds of black pepper. And then we'll drizzle with a couple tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And finally, we'll scatter on those rosemary and thyme sprigs that we clipped outside a few moments ago. And then using our best tools, our clean hands, we will toss everything to coat it. And then we're going to slow roast it in a 225-degree oven for a couple of hours. Maybe 2.5 to 3 hours, checking on it every hour or so. Just giving you a peek in the oven at the 1 hour mark, so some of the tomatoes have begun to split. Here we are at the 2 hour mark. I gave a little poke and a smash to the tomatoes that hadn't quite burst to release their juices and dry out yet. And I'm thinking I may increase my oven temperature to 250. Just pick it up just a little bit to encourage them to roast a little bit faster. I also spread them out in the pan. So here we have our tomatoes at the 3 hour roasting mark. You can see they're a bit dehydrated, but still nice and juicy. And what we can do when these completely cool is put them on a separate sheet pan lined with some parchment paper and pop them in the freezer just like that, nice and spread out from each other. And then once they're completely frozen, you can transfer them to some Ziploc bags or freezer safe containers and keep them stored that way, pop them out to defrost them and add them to all sorts of dishes when we're looking to get the summer brightness of these tomatoes in the cold winter months.